The International Journal of Drug Policy says Delta 8 THC was heavily searched on Google in the U.S. in 2020 and 2021. Now, the increase in the use of this cannabis product has some testing labs concerned that they test the legal limit of these Delta 8 products. Our Elise Zwick has more.
Yes, Cindy, I spoke with John Kearns, the co-founder and CEO of New Bloom Labs here in Chattanooga, who tests hundreds to thousands of cannabis products per week. He says there is a labeling problem in the Delta 8 industry, and some products are mislabeled, which can become a large problem for consumers and manufacturers.
New Bloom Lab conducts the chemical analysis and provides the data by which these labels are created. Right? So what we're finding is that many labs throughout the country struggle to tell the difference between Delta 8 and Delta 9 THC, and that's leading to mislabeling.
Delta 8 THC is a form of cannabis that is legal and selling rapidly throughout the U.S. But certain amounts of Delta 9 THC in a product is an illegal form of cannabis that is considered a federally controlled substance. Labs like New Bloom Labs are in business to test products and label them properly.
Cannabis products in Tennessee cannot have more than 0.3% Delta 9 THC in them. What we're seeing is that many of these products exceed that legal threshold by a great deal.
Kearns' lab works to make sure the labels are correct and provides the right information to consumers. Each product has a QR code you can scan to check the legitimacy of the lab testing and product research. He says using the right labs to make sure the amount of legal THC is in the products is crucial.
Consumers have to rely on quality lab testing. And what we're saying is that unfortunately, many of the lab testing companies that test these products aren't doing a very good job of it, and it's creating a lot of risk for consumers.
Kearns says some consumers believe they are buying a legal substance from retail distributors, but the labels may be misleading. Delta 8 THC has only been on the market for about 2 years and is said to help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and sleeplessness.
As this industry continues to go mainstream and legitimize, it's going to be important that everyone understand cannabis products, how they work and why they work.
Kearns says if you are consuming legal limits of cannabis products, check the label, the labs, and educate yourself in cannabis products in general. Reporting in the studio, Elise Zwick, Local 3 News.